Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can silence WhatsApp call from unknown numbers. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp. So once you open WhatsApp, you simply need to click on three dots on the top right. Here you need to click on settings. Then you simply need to click on privacy. Once you are here, you simply need to scroll down, and here you can see calls, and here you can see silence unknown callers. So here you can see calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. They will still be shown in the calls tab and in your notification. So click on here, and now you can see that unknown calls are now on silence for my WhatsApp. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.